We just discovered that there's a cave in here. Let's just check it. I can't go in. Can't expect me to go in. Okay, let's try. Dude, I'm so scared. But yeah, it's lovely.
Say you're happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, darling. If you're new here, welcome, honey. But if you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Spend a day with us. We're going to the beach, Strandfontein Beach. If you're near Vredendal, you obviously know Strandfontein Beach. It's a very nice one. So grab a seat, take whatever snacks, and spend this day with us. It's lovely things, it's lovely views. So you know, I got the grill. So here we were seeing sheep. Like, guys, I didn't know that not only in Insta Cape we can only see this. I mean, I'm only used to it in Insta Cape. Hey you guys, we're actually at the beach now, Strandfontein Beach. It's so beautiful in here.
See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. It's not the way that you want, make you tell me with this all being gone, I never tried it, oh baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell you what's up being gone. I'm gonna expect it again. I'm gonna get I wanna make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh baby, oh no.
just discovered that there's a cave in here. Let's just check it. There's a cave. Okay. It's so scary. I can't go in. Can't expect me to go in. Okay, let's try. It's so scary. God, I can't go in like deep. I can't go deep. Let's see. Dude, I'm so scared. But yeah, it's lovely.
Shows I'm juggling, flow like the ocean. My coat, I'm paddling. Shara Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I take concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my bitch. If you become a shit, I be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one bite, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all the men, the girls, right, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the men, the girls, right, I know feet, good now.
I don't know if it's me, but this video seems like it's stuck when I'm taking a selfie video. But yeah guys, I have just seen like a beautiful sunset. Hope this is good.